In this video, I'll guide you how to write title, headings, subheadings, Jupyter Notebook. So first you will go on the new, then Python. You will click on the Python. So new Jupyter Notebook will be open. Yes, it has opened. So you will write your program here first. If I want to print my first program actually, so quotation mark I will place here, and here I will write welcome. Welcome to Jupyter Notebook. Right. Then I will click Shift. Yes, it has run properly. So welcome to Jupyter Notebook. When you will click, then next your cell will be created. Right here. If I want to write print, I want to write print, and then in the parentheses, I want to add two numbers, 4 plus 5, right? Then I will enter. So answer is a 9, right? The next one, if I want to multiply two numbers, right? Then I will write here print. Then in the parentheses, I will multiply two numbers, means if I want to multiply 12 multiplied by 4, what will the answer? Next 48. Yes, it is good. So in this video, I will tell you how to create title of the program. So if I want to create title above this line, so I will click here. When I will click here, right, by clicking this, I will enter A. A means I want to create cell above the main line where I want to write my title. So this is this one. So after that, I will press Shift and hash. First I will click here, then I will press Shift and hash. So this is the hash, right? Now I want to write this is my title. So it will not work. I want to run this. No, it's not going to be work. Why it is not going to be work? Because I did not choose one option. And one option is what? This is the markdown. When I will click on the markdown, then I will be capable to write title. So now I want to write it again. First, I want to remove this. Then I want to go on the markdown. And after the markdown, I will place hash, and this is the title of my Jupyter Notebook, right? So when I will enter, so you are actually saying this is once again not working proper. Why? Because I haven't placed space between hash and this. So I will click here, and now I will place space. Now I will run. When I will run, now you can see this is the title of my Jupyter Notebook. It has run properly. So this is the method that must you should follow. If I want to write, this is the sum of two number, right? So I will click here, and after the click, I will press A. One column has created on above, right? And here I will go on the code round drop arrow. I will click on the markdown, and after the markdown, I will click on the hash and then hash. Means by using one hash, I can write title. By using two hash, I will capable to write heading, and after pressing three hash, I'll be capable to write subheading. So I will give space, and after space, I will write this is the sum of two numbers, right? Then I will click here. So you can see this is the heading. This is the sum of two numbers. I give a heading, right? If I want to write subheading, means I want to make this as a subheading, I will click here, then I will go on the code markdown, and after the markdown, so once again I will go back. So I will click here. After the click, I will press A. A means to create cell on above, right? So I will first click here, then I will go on the code markdown, and after the markdown, I will press triple hash. Then I will give space, and here I will write this is the multiplication of two numbers. If you found this video helpful for you, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching.